Hello students, next question 104. Here the time t1 is equal to 2 seconds. The acceleration of a particle is counterclockwise. Circular motion के अंदर 6i plus 4j से given है. It moves with a constant speed. अगर it is moving with a constant speed, there is only centripetal acceleration and there is no any tangential acceleration. There is only centripetal acceleration, and centripetal acceleration is have the opposite direction to the radius vector. ठीक है. And the time t2 equal to 5 second, particle acceleration is this. What is the radius of the particle by the particle if t2 minus t1 is less than that the time period? So here let us, this is the circular path of radius r, and the acceleration at t1 equal to 2 second, direction is 6i plus 4j. Let's say it is this in this direction, acceleration in this direction, then the radius vector is in this direction, a particle present here. This is the particle position and acceleration has this direction, acceleration given by that is 6i plus 4j, and at this time the position of particle will be here, and that is a position at t1 equal to 2 second. After time at time t2 it is have the acceleration 4i minus 6j, 4i minus 6j, and it is direction of acceleration is here, that is 4i minus 6j. Then the particle is present here, that will be the position b at time t2 equal to 5 second. The body is moving counterclockwise, so it is moving anti-clockwise. This will be the path followed by the body, and it travels, starts from here and reaches to B point after time 3 seconds is here. T time, that is t2 minus t1, that is 5 minus 2, 3 second time के बाद ये body A से B पे पहुंच गई. If the motion is clockwise, then it is A to B. This will be the distance traveled here. Okay, now these accelerations are perpendicular to each other, so these are also perpendicular to each other, and if this angle is 90, then this angle is 270, and if this जो part traveled by the body, the particle is 3/4 of the total distance, and the time period is also 3/4 of the total time. So the 3/4 of the total time is here 3 seconds. The total time will be 4 seconds to complete one circle. Time is here 4 seconds to complete one circle. Radius is r. Then and acceleration at any time has this value, and magnitude of this acceleration, you may take this value and you this value. Acceleration will always remain constant in magnitude, that is from here 36 plus 4 square, that is 16 under the root, that is 52 under the root 7 point something 2, that is मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. एसलेशन पता है, हमें टाइम पीरियड पता लग गया, तो रेडियस को हम एसलेशन को यूज करेंगे. सेंट्रीपिटल एसलेशन इज वी स्क्वायर अपॉन आर. वी इज आर ओमेगा स्क्वायर बाय आर, दैट इज आर ओमेगा स्क्वायर. आर इंटू ओमेगा हैज़ द वैल्यू 2 पाई बाई टी स्क्वायर, एंड दिस वैल्यू इज आर 4 पाई स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर. फ्रॉम हेयर आर इज एसलेशन इंटू टी स्क्वायर बाय 4 पाई स्क्वायर. Acceleration has the value 7.2 time square, that is 16 by 4 into pi square 3.14 into 3.14. It is 4 4 ja 16 and it is nearly 10. Okay, this value will be 7.2. Multiply this value with 4, 8, and that is 28. So 2.8 something. So the answer is like this value. So the correct option is option number 3. Thanks for watching.